So, today we are going to talk about 10 facts to remember when you feel like a failure or when you feel like it's not worth it. Now, let's start. Fact number 1: failure is inevitable. Failure is a non avoidable part of life. आज हम फेल हुए हैं, there is no guarantee कि कल नहीं होंगे. We might fail again tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that we'll always keep failing. No success story is complete without the failures. दुनिया में जितने भी successful लोग हैं, even the people that we look up to, that are our role models, उन्होंने न जाने अपनी ज़िंदगी में countless failures face करे होंगे before they got there where they are. अगर सब हमेशा 100% सही होने लगा, then how are you supposed to get the wisdom? How are we supposed to get all the life lessons? Fact number 2: imagine your higher self giving an interview. Imagine your higher self made it. She is where you want to be right now in upcoming 5 years. Imagine she's giving an interview, she's in a podcast और वो बोल रही है अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी. पर्सनली जब मैं अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी इमेजिन करती हूँ व्हेन आई एम गिविंग एन इंटरव्यू, इमेजिनरी इंटरव्यू आईने के सामने, आई इमेजिन how I speak about all the setbacks I have faced and how I have rose from them, how much they taught me, how much I have learned from life, not from its successes but rather from its failures. Failure simply teaches you to not make the same mistake again. And when we think like this, automatically हम अपने goal के एक step आगे हो जाते हैं because now we know we are not going to repeat the same shit again. Fact number 3: failure gives you clarity. Failure is so important to experience in life क्योंकि once we fail at something, we look back at the journey that we have come across and हम सोचते हैं that was the journey worth it? Was all the struggle worth it for what I was about to achieve? Or have I failed now and I feel like even the journey was worth it? I didn't even enjoy the journey, so I should not continue with this and I should start something else. Or should I continue with it? Should I repeat it again? So it gives you clarity कि आपको लाइफ से क्या चाहिए और हमको लाइफ से क्या नहीं चाहिए. Fact number 4: you freaking tried. You freaking tried and that's what matters. It does not matters that you failed. What matters is that you gave your 100% and you then failed. क्योंकि trust me, the feeling of failing is way better than feeling regret while sitting in a corner कि मैं कर सकती थी but just because of some imaginary fear I didn't even take the first step. I didn't even try about it. What if it could have happened? नहीं हुआ पर क्या पता हो जाता अगर मैं try कर लेती rather than sitting there in regret that I'd never even tried. Fact number 5: you are human. हम इंसान हैं, हम भगवान नहीं है कि हमसे कभी गलती नहीं होगी. एंड कहावतें भी यही कहती है कभी कभी कि भगवानों से भी गलती हो जाती है. अरे तुम तो इंसान हो. इस दुनिया में 8 बिलियन लोग हैं एंड आई डोंट थिंक any one of them is perfect. Not a single one of them is perfect, and you trying to be a perfect human being is only going to take away from the journey and experiences that life gives you. These are so wonderful. Rather than experiencing them, we focus all our time in trying to perfect something which can never be perfect. It kind of links back to the first point that I said कि life में mistakes और failures unavoidable है. हम उनको avoid नहीं कर सकते. तो चूंकि हम उनको अवॉइड कर नहीं सकते, why not try and embrace and accept them? This time I failed, it's fine, I'll succeed next time. Fact number 6: failure teaches you to love yourself when it is the hardest to do so. When life में सब सही जा रहा है, you are succeeding, parents are proud of you, you are proud of yourself, you love yourself, right? कि oh my god, you did so well, oh my god, I'm so proud of you. पर जब सब कुछ सही नहीं जा रहा है, when you're failing, when you're anxious, when you tried, but it just didn't happen. And it is really hard in these times, I'm saying this from personal experience, to not condemn yourself and to say shit to ourselves. But when we do so, हमारा self love दूसरे level पे होता है. It is when we love ourselves through thick and through thin, through achievements, through failures, that we actually realize कि loving yourself का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि when I'm doing great things, I love myself. But when I'm doing shitty things, when I'm failing at something, I'm going to condemn myself. No, I'm going to love myself even then because the love that I give myself, it is unconditional. Failure teaches you unconditional love. Fact number 7. It teaches you to detach. Failure ही हमें सिखाता है कि not to attach our worth to a particular task or a particular project or a result. Failure ही हमें सिखाता है that it doesn't makes up your identity and who you are at your core. ये बात मैंने पहले भी किसी वीडियोस में कही होगी that life is like this long journey जहाँ पे starting point है and end point है and all your failures, achievements, successes जो भी है these are just like the pebbles on the side of the road. Some you encounter you feel like कितना सुंदर पत्थर है, some you feel like it's not worth it. So these are just the pebble, not the journey. Definitely not the journey. फेलियर से एक और फ़ायदा ये होता है दैट व्हेन वी एंटर इनटू अ प्रोजेक्ट वी एंटर इट विथ अ माइंडसेट कि ये हो भी सकता है, ये नहीं भी हो सकता है. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब I knew it was gonna be hard. I knew I might fail. I knew I might not get any followers and stuff. I knew it would be hard balancing with my 12th studies. But I did it anyway. I didn't think at all. I just went ahead with it anyway. I thought, what if it fails? What if? हो भी सकता है fails. But what if it succeeds, right? Fact number 8. I will gain something either way. The next time you feel anxious about the fear of failing or anything, just remember that it is never your loss. It is never even your loss. You will gain something either way. If you succeed, you're gonna get what you want, but if you do not succeed, you're gonna get a valuable life lesson that would have otherwise taken you years and years to learn, which you learned just because of this failure. I saw this amazing video the other day that literally changed my perspective about this. It talked about this maybe mindset. The maybe mindset is basically I can only get this, or I can get something better. I can get what I want, or I'll get something better than that. Fact number 9. Fear of failure is all that is. A simple fear. I have talked about this other times as well कि fear सिर्फ एक imaginary concept है. ये हमारा mind बना लेता है to protect us from all the upcoming dangers and threats in the near future. पर फिलहाल हम स्टोन एज में नहीं है, कोई भी डर नहीं है, हम हंटिंग करने नहीं जा रहे हैं. एंड इस इमेजिनरी फियर के चलते ट्राई ना करना एंड टू सेल्फ साबोटाज, हाउ इज़ दैट सेंसिबल? सही वक्त का इंतज़ार करते करते वक्त बर्बाद हो जाएगा और वो सही वक्त कभी नहीं आएगा. सो डर लग रहा है, गो अहेड ईदर वे. फेल होंगे या नहीं इसको पता करने का सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है, इट इज़ इफ़ वी गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड फाइनली फैक्ट नंबर 10. Everything always works out. I don't care, call it delusion, but I genuinely believe कि जब तक एंडिंग हैप्पी नहीं होती, स्टोरी अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, कहानी अभी बाकी है. हमेशा every single thing works out in our favor, every single thing. And believe me when I say this, क्योंकि at the moment we might feel that our world is crumbling down, that we are failing, that we are worthless, but 5 years and 10 years down the line, we'll look back at our failures, we'll look back at our mistakes, and हमें realize होगा कि all of those was leading me to this very moment when I am so happy in my dream place and at peace. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're still there, and you're not alone if you're feeling like you're failing, because trust me, every single person on this earth have experienced this one way or the other. So yeah, you're not alone, and thanks for watching. Bye.